So luck or performance, what really matters in leadership career. So I'm going to kind of extend or elaborate on the implication of my research on luck and strategy and decision making, and present with you 4 takeaway. So I'm just summarizing here, and I'll give reason and examples for each of them one by one. So first of all, let's start with this, achievement against luck or disadvantage due to luck is more impressive. That sounds very intuitive, but if you actually look at what's going on in reality, that is not so obvious. People pay so much attention to the very successful. So if you look at this business magazines, the bestsellers, a lot of the time people focus on those the most successful. And the heuristic is usually that the more successful you are, the more impressive you are, in the sense that they must have done something right, like deserve the reward, the attention, and possible learning and imitation from the evaluators or the observers. But if you pause and think, is it really that the more successful are necessarily the more impressive one?